Imagine a world where machines can create. Picture a city where the dawn is not just a new day, but a new era of intelligence. They don't just follow instructions. They learn from data, they generate new content. These machines analyze vast amounts of information, learning and evolving with every byte they process. This is the power of generative AI. It's not just about automation, it's about innovation. Generative AI can create digital art that rivals human creativity, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. It's a new kind of intelligence. Generative AI learns patterns. It understands the intricacies of data, recognizing patterns that are invisible to the human eye. It uses these patterns to produce original outputs. From generating text and images to composing music, the possibilities are endless. This technology is rapidly changing our world. This isn't science fiction, it's happening now. AI is transforming industries, making processes more efficient, and opening up new realms of creativity. Generative AI is used in many fields. In healthcare, it helps in diagnosing diseases and personalizing treatments. In financial services, it predicts market trends and detects fraud. These include art, music, and even writing. Artists and musicians are collaborating with AI to create groundbreaking works, while writers use AI to generate articles and stories, blending human creativity with machine precision.
Customer service is being transformed. The landscape of customer interactions is evolving rapidly, driven by cutting-edge technology and innovative solutions. Basic chatbots are a thing of the past. The days of clunky, unresponsive chatbots are over as businesses seek more sophisticated tools to engage with their customers. Generative AI is creating more human-like interactions. These advanced systems can understand and respond in ways that feel natural and intuitive, making customers feel heard and valued. Platforms like Cognigy are leading the way. They offer robust solutions that integrate seamlessly into existing workflows, enhancing the capabilities of customer service teams. These platforms provide personalized support. By leveraging data and AI, they tailor interactions to meet the unique needs of each customer, ensuring a more satisfying experience. They understand the context of conversations. This contextual awareness allows for more accurate and relevant responses, reducing frustration and improving overall satisfaction. This enhances the customer experience. It also improves efficiency. Streamlined processes mean quicker resolutions and happier customers, which is a win-win for everyone involved. Generative AI handles routine inquiries. By automating common questions and tasks, these systems free up valuable time for human agents. This frees up human agents. With fewer routine tasks to manage, agents can focus on providing high-quality, personalized service. They can then focus on more complex issues. This shift allows for deeper problem-solving and more meaningful interactions, ultimately leading to better outcomes for both customers and businesses.
Generative AI's impact goes beyond customer service. It's transforming numerous industries. One example is healthcare. AI analyzes medical images. This helps doctors make diagnoses. Another example is finance. AI analyzes market data. It identifies trends. This helps investors make better decisions. Generative AI also aids in drug discovery. It accelerates the process of developing new medicines.
Section 4. Reshaping business landscapes.
Generative AI is a game changer for businesses. It automates tasks, leading to increased efficiency. It streamlines operations, reducing costs. This allows companies to be more productive and profitable. Generative AI also fosters innovation. It helps companies create new products and services. This leads to new business models and opportunities. The possibilities are endless.
Section 5. Unleashing efficiency and innovation.
Productivity gets a boost with generative AI. It automates tasks, freeing up human workers. They can focus on more creative and strategic work. This leads to higher levels of efficiency and output. Generative AI also helps to optimize processes. This reduces waste and improves accuracy. It can analyze vast amounts of data, helping businesses make better decisions.
Section 6. The future unfolds. Generative AI's transformative impact. Generative AI is still in its early stages, but its potential is enormous. Imagine a world where machines can create art, write stories, and even compose music. This isn't science fiction, it's happening now. Researchers and developers are constantly pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. As the technology continues to evolve, it will have a profound impact on our world. From automating mundane tasks to solving complex problems, Generative AI is set to revolutionize industries. In manufacturing, for instance, AI can optimize production lines, reducing waste and increasing efficiency. It will change the way we work, create, and interact. Designers can use AI to generate innovative concepts, while virtual assistants can help us manage our daily lives more effectively. The possibilities are endless, and the benefits are immense. Generative AI is a powerful tool. It can assist in medical research, helping to discover new treatments and cures. In the creative arts, it can inspire new forms of expression and push the boundaries of human creativity. It's up to us to use it wisely. Businesses and governments must collaborate to ensure that AI is developed and deployed responsibly. This means creating policies that promote transparency, accountability, and fairness. We must consider the ethical implications and ensure that it benefits all of humanity. This includes addressing issues like bias in AI algorithms, data privacy, and the potential for job displacement. By prioritizing ethical considerations, we can harness the power of AI for the greater good. The future is full of possibilities. Let's embrace them together. By working collectively, we can shape a future where AI enhances our lives and contributes to a more equitable and prosperous world. The journey has just begun, and the potential is limitless.